Welcome to another TI-Nspire tutorial. In this session I am using the TI-Nspire CX II non-CAS calculator to determine the x-axis intercepts, or zeros, for a parabola. I'll start with the calculator application. From the menu select Algebra, Polynomial Tools. Find roots of a polynomial. A parabola or quadratic is a polynomial of degree 2. I'm looking for real roots, so I can just press Enter. Enter the coefficients, then press Enter. The command is pasted to the calculator application. Press Enter to execute. Our quadratic has two zeros, one at x equals -2 and one at x equals 3. It's easy to check the answers by substitution. We can also find the zeros using the graph. Press Ctrl followed by I, and select the graph's application. Enter the equation. Now from the menu, select Analyze Graph, followed by 0. Place the cursor to the left of the 0 and click, then to the right and click. Repeat this for any other intercepts. One advantage of the graph's application is that the equation is dynamic, so the solutions update automatically. The same can be said about the notes application. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.